Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Rebel Neon. I'm Mika, and as I had promised on Instagram, I'm doing a test tour of my new desk. If you remember the desk that I had before, I'm gonna include some footage of that. It was like a drawing table, and it was old already, and it was shaky, so many times I ruined what I was doing because it was shaking when I moved, and I had not enough storage. So I decided to upgrade, and a friend of mine decided to gift me this desk, which was a marvelous surprise. So I'm in love with this desk. It fits my space in here, the L. I think I take better advantage of the storage it has. It has a nice wood finish, and the best part is that all my supplies, or the ones that I use the most at least, are very easy to grab. They are like right away at my grasp, so I really love it. And the drawers are so very practical, so I just take what I want and I start working, you know. So it's really nice. These are my black brush pens only, Monami brush pens, my glasses, gel pens, the twin tones, and cover casters that I'm going to be reviewing soon. So really, these are the things that I use the most, and the fact that I'm here and I just do this and I get it, like, it's mind-blowing. Let me take this. Sorry, I was practicing. I also got this mat from American Craft. It's too good, but I really like the look of it on the desk, so I got it. And I get the same stool that the drawing table came with, because it's so comfortable, and the heels is just ideal for me. Under it there are two shelves. Here I put like some things that I don't use so often, because I have two sets of stapler brush markers and two sets of coil Sakura colors. Yeah, don't ask me why. And I don't know what I have here, I don't remember. I also have more storage in here, and of course all of my Crayolas. because they are easy to get right here, and I really like this. So here are other markers, of course, that I don't use so often, but I do like, so they are still on the table. Maybe not up there where it's easier to get them, but they are still close to me. This part over here is just my blocks, papers, and all the things, all the papers that I used to practice, you know. So my bullet journals that I'm been using to sketch lately, and that is it on the table. I have some space in here for the future. So I really like it. So this over here I decided to hang it in there because they were easy to get. I don't use them as often as I like, but I do like them and I want them close to me, so they are there under it. I'll be installing like some light in here because at night this gets really dark and I can see what I'm looking for. But yeah, it's pretty much it. So on my windowsill I keep this because I'm a fan of symmetry. I can't help it. And I got my Crayola thingy with more brush pens that I love to use. These are the Creates, the small brush pens, and the metallic ones. Also the watercolors of Jane Davenport and the watercolors by Creates. And this because this is very useful. And then here I get Oli fine liners. I also get all my Karim markers and the Tech retractable highlighters at hand all the time. So these three shelves, I have them from before I changed the desk, but anyway, I moved the way they were. So I mean the things in them. These I kept here because they are supposed to be horizontally. These are the Artistro paint pens, the Posca, the Tech, and this used to be on my drawing desk before, but now it has a new home in here and it's super easy to get when I need it. So I love that. And my watercolor is now here. This thingy, and oh my baby, and some picture I took with my DSLR. This is one of my favorite pictures I've taken. And of course markers that I'm gonna review. These are the Monami fabric brush pens. I love the case of these markers and I love the shades and stuff. I have used them like just once or twice, but I'm gonna review them when I use them more because I have expectations for this. And little lamp because yes, I have to remind myself to relax. What a better way that an acrylic neon sign for that. These are all my Ecoline watercolors, my brushes in the school because I like schools, and the water to spray. This pretty plant, I got them from IKEA. I love how it looks. And of course these are my Winsor and Newton brush pens. So this is the desk tour, honestly. I love it. It's everything that I ever wanted, to be honest. I don't want to leave this place. And if you are interested in seeing the full tour of the whole room, the whole studio, give this video a like and let me know in the comments, so I'll make it for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next